Dang, look at that. 9.5. I just picked mine up. All bros colorway. All bros too. You guys, look at this. So 9.5, man. They got heat 9.5 today. I see some chlorophylls. They are back, you guys. They're back at the outlets. What's going on? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, we're at the Citadel outlets, you guys. Like, I didn't notice this place was this freaking huge. I'm like walking around. But yeah, man, we're checking out another Nike outlet. This is the most packed Nike outlets pretty much in LA. And you gotta elbow at least 5 people in the face, like every time you come in. But yeah, let's go see what's up, see if they got some deals. Yeah, I do want to give a big old shout out to Ballin' on a Budget. You know, he's a godfather of the Nike outlet videos, and he happened to watch one of my videos, said what's up, that was kind of cool. I've been following him for years, man. I've also been watching a lot of Know It to Flip It. You know, he's a reseller, got some dope videos, and Hustler Hacks, man. Like, both of them two are like the most informative videos when it comes to flipping stuff. So yeah, and sneakers as well, because they usually flip sneakers and other stuff. Yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and check out their channels. But yeah, let's get going, you guys. Let's get going, see what's up with this outlet. Welcome to the most packed Nike outlet in Los Angeles. Yeah, man, look, it's like it's Black Friday here. Look at these lines, man. Look at these lines. These lines are insane. Look, goes around the entire store. Just on a regular old, what day of the week is? On a regular Friday, man. It's not even a weekend. It's technically a weekday, Friday. That's crazy. 10.5 section, always packed as usual. Got a bunch of the clots. I did get the clots here because they're only 110. 110 here. This is size 7. I don't know what the hell this doing here. Size 10.5, 110. That's the Volt color. They got the 110s. But yeah, they got over plenty of sizes. Look, 110. Get that. It's an additional 20% off everything today. I'm sorry, 20% off the clearance wall. It is 20% off the clearance wall today. So yeah. What the heck? Yeah, these I got those for like $47. That's weird. And you got some real mediocre Air Force One highs. It's like a what? I want to say corduroy. Denim? No, it's like a corduroy material. But yeah, man. Yeah, that's crazy. Zip too. $67. You get an extra what? 20% off. Dang! Look at that. 9.5. I just picked mine up. I wonder if my brother-in-law could do, what's it called? I wonder if I should get this one and then return that other one. There's $100-some off. Ooh, wow. Let me look into that. Dang, we're seeing quite a few of these at the outlets now, huh? Look at this. Look at this. Wow. This one does not have the box top. Mine, I was able to get mine with the box top. This is also size 9.5. Going for $1.60 instead of the $2. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna get these. I have a little plan for these. See what happens. Kind of moving around because it's so crowded here. But yeah, look, the Zoom Freaks. The All Bros colorway. All Bros 2. I'm not a fan of this colorway. I have the All Bros 1 at home. These are size 11. I don't know. To me, they fit hella tight, so I have to go get the size 11. But yeah, not bad, not bad. If you want it for 20% off, that's the deal right there. We're in the size 10 to now. They got some 11, size 8s, some LeBron 3s. Look what's right here. Excuse me. Look what's right here, man. The crowds are crazy for you guys. Look at this. Some 9.5, man. They got heat 9.5 today. Look. Got the animals, man. Damn, that's crazy. 20% off. So 9.5. Man, hey, look, Citadel got heat. Citadel got heat. That's crazy. That's crazy, guys. Getting brand new stuff here. Everybody's returning their stuff. That's crazy. I was like, is that an undercover? What is this? Oh, that's hilarious. It's the Vomeros, the old school Vomeros. Is that the one with the battery in the back? Is that the battery? For some reason, I think it's the one with the battery, but I don't know. Cold, well. Yeah, Vomero 5s, ACWs. I have no clue what ACW is. There you go. I guess it's going for retail 30. Get that 20% off. I was like, are these the black cat Jordans? No, they're the Prestos. They got all black Presto, 8.5. I don't know what the price is. They haven't priced a lot of this stuff because it's too packed here. Got some of the LeBron 16s. What is the Miami colorway? Go for $120. Not bad. Both 7.5. Not shabby. Get 20% off on top of that. They have like 20 different. Oh, not different ones. They have like 20 boxes of Hydro. So they're the Hydro 6s. Those are pretty, whatever. They do have good support though. Yeah, $16 and then 20% off on top of that. $13. Get it for 13, $14. Oh my goodness. Wait. Let's see what sides are going for $13. I'll show you guys. I have a pair of these at home. They're not too bad. They have really good support. They're just ugly. But they do have really good support. Yeah, these Jordan Hydro 6s. They actually have decent arch support. Because it comes up like right here. Goes down right here and it comes over. It looks like one of those topography maps. What the hell? Why am I talking about topography maps on a sneaker vlog? What the hell am I doing? Yeah, but cheap as hell, man. Yeah, for like what, $13 something. Alright, we're in the smaller sections. TVs. Going for the PG3 TVs. The Team Bank. Oh, there is a blue colorway. Okay, not bad. I don't know. It doesn't have a thing. There's no way that's going for retail. I don't know. I don't know what the price. Some more South Beach LeBron lows. Go for $120. It's a solid price. $120 plus 20% off. It's like under $100. Dang, Air Force Max lows, man. We've been seeing these at the other clearance center as well as other places for a significant discount. I know $140. That's crazy. I guess the clearance center is just way cheap. Yeah. See, this is the outlet, you guys. This is the one right here, man. This is the Citadel. This is how it is during the week, man. It's just, yeah, man. You just gotta hope you don't get elbowed because you have to punch someone in the face. It's crazy. It's crazy. And some of these bad boys, up tempos, going for $129. Got 20% off. Not terrible. Plenty of those clots going for $120. Get that 20% off. It's like $110 where you can get these. Look, $89. 20% off $89. I guess just because this one doesn't have the box, that's funny. I think one of them is mislabeled. That's crazy. I see some Chlorophylls. Let's see what they're talking about, these Chlorophylls. Size 11. I know they ain't going for retail. I don't know the price though. Size 11, too big. Let's leave them. Okay, the Air Force Max low. Found a size 9 in this area. Yeah, this one's going for $90. Not bad. That's way better than the retail over there. That's crazy. Speaking of retail, man, these Terra Gobes going for retail? That's crazy. They are back, you guys. They're back at the outlets. These are the Melo 13s. You guys, if you guys see these at the outlet, make sure you guys know these are B grade quality. These are B grades. So, yeah, they didn't even sell at the retail stores because there were issues. Especially at $200. Yeah, you can see the glue that they use when it dries up. It totally turns red. So you could totally see that in a bunch of different places. And it was such a prevalent problem that they didn't even sell these at the stores. These didn't even drop at Foot Locker and all those stuff. They just sold it at the outlets and they just called it a B grade. But yeah, the redness and stuff. Yeah, so these are all B grades. Look, they got plenty. Oh, but they'll have a couple different sizes, 9, 10, 10.5. But yeah, they're back at the outlets. These were here for months and months and months. Like 6, 7 months. Now they're back. I wanted to show you guys a little bit more of I just got another pair, but yeah, this is the redness right there. All that surrounding area, the black area right there, that's all red because of that glue came out. But yeah, if you can find a clean pair, not terrible, but yeah, go for $1.59. These were down to under 100, and then once they sell out, obviously they could increase the price back up. Jordan's smart because they They didn't totally sell out last time. They just sold out of their certain. They just sold out of a certain amount and then got rid of them and then brought it back because we're a bunch of drones. That's funny. Size 13s, you guys. Size 13s. Got a gang of these Zoom GPs. 52 bucks, man. They're going for like 40, $52. Is that like 41 something? $41 something? Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. If it was a different colorway, I probably would cop. Because they had these during the Black Friday, I think during the Black Friday time when I came in. They're super cheap. They're super cheap. Oh, I was like, this is size 13. The Shocks, BB4s, going for, damn, is that for retail? 20%, I guess. And if you're a size 13 and you're Air Max 720 fan, get these for cheap. 95 and then you get another 20% off. That's not bad. I'm in the size 13 section. We'll see if this is it's a size 12. Yeah, they don't even have a price tag. So you know it's not going for 75. I have to ask somebody, dude. I have to ask somebody. Legacy 312s. Yeah, you know those are going for $130. So yeah, a bunch of stuff's not priced. 11.5 for KDs. I know these. Man, we just saw these go for what, 90 bucks at another outlet. The huge sizes. Nothing really interesting. Yeah, let's go check out the owls, guys. Those of you guys that are new, make sure you guys go ahead and press that subscribe button. And yeah, everybody else, all of you guys, press that like button, you guys. Press that like button. Oh, I thought it was 20% off just the hash roll, but yeah, it's just 20% off footwear. Sometimes they do put that and then they'll just leave that on the hash wall, but they never put that up here, so it's 20% off all sneakers here. Not bad. Not bad. So that's the cheapest we've ever seen these Be True 720s, man. These have like really never been on sale for that. 80 bucks? 80 bucks if that's your flavor, not bad. 150, see that's kind of pricey, but you do get that 20 off, that's not terrible. That's a steal, 70 bucks, man. Odyssey React 2 Flyknits, man, and you get 20% off, so that goes down to what, $56? Damn, that's a steal. 56 for this bad boy as well, for you runners. Dang, the dunks are going down in price, man, alpha dunks. But this isn't even alpha dunk. No, this is alpha dunk, but look, oh, they're just in wrong places. They do have alpha dunks here, okay. But yeah, those are going down in price big time, and 20% off. I need to lower the price on my GOAT, man. That's crazy. On the pair that I have on GOAT. The original colorway of the Alpha Dunk. On sale, 20% off. You know what? I think it's 20% off just that section over there. Because some of these don't have 20% off. So I guess this is 20% off. Or for you gym rats, those of you guys like to lift weights and stuff. Got the Metcon. It's actually 20% off for these. Yeah, apparently it's not 20% off everything, just that last aisle, and then whatever it says 20% off right here. So yeah, it's a solid price, man. These are normally what, $130? Not bad. These just going for regular $79. And some more Metcon Flyknit 3s. Check out the women's section. Yeah, these Air Max 97s, not bad, 100 bucks. 100 bucks, size 7.5, not too shabby. These Elements, they've been out the outlets a lot lately. Yeah, 60 bucks, good price, 20% off. Size 9, 65 for these. That's a steal. Steal with that 20% off. Size 5 Blazers, dang, these are pretty clean, dude. Blazers, man, go for 45, I think, 45 and 30% off, size 5. Normally these go for like 100 bucks, and it comes with the extra laces, man. That's what's up. That's a solid deal right here. That's what's up. Yeah, everything else is a little bit high, man. These React Flyknit 2s go for $110. That's pricey as hell. These off-white looking Blazers go for 60 bucks. 60 bucks. Get that 20% off on top of that. These are going for $99. I have no clue. I think it's a 35. Size 10.5, that's kind of big. Everything's just kind of mixed up, dude. 50 bucks for these Nike Legend Reacts. I swear I thought those were just 100 bucks from the other section. That's crazy. Oh no, that was an Epic React. Never mind. Size 12, the Pegasus Zoom Turbos. The Pegasus 35 Turbos, 100 bucks. $100, man. 20% off. Pegasus 35, these are like a premium. Some of them have this different upper, and the ones with this kind of upper, that's the premium one. And let's go for a pretty good price, you guys. Pretty good price. 20% off, 70. Joyrides, man. They're here like big time now. Got that colorway as well. It's a pretty good deal for the Vomeros. Not bad. It's a colorway, that pink, man. If it wasn't pink right there, man, get these like in a size 12 for myself, yeah. Tailwinds, interesting colorway. Got 20% off. Man, I don't know why, but these just remind me of the Midwest. I don't know. But yeah, 40 bucks, not bad. 40 bucks for those as well. Not too shabby. All right, the women's section really didn't have much, so I'm gonna wrap it up. I'll pay for these Winterized, the 9.5s. And if some of you guys saw some of my older videos, I got one that was scratched up, but I only paid $100 for it. So I'm gonna get these, and then I'm gonna return the other ones. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Wrap it up, you guys. All right, I talked to my brother-in-law, and yeah, he already wore his, so I'm putting these back. Actually, one of the kids. Did you want to look at this? Did you want it? Oh, okay. Putting it back on the shelf. Excuse me. All right. Now it's official. Like now, the line is significantly smaller. Damn, great, cool. All right, smash out, you guys. All right, thanks for making it to the end of the video, you guys. Yeah, appreciate it. What do you guys think? Wasn't bad. They had some heat. The Winterized 4s, man, they're making their way out to the outlets like a bunch. So if y'all wanted those, make sure you guys are patient, because I saw that was like my third or fourth one that I've seen already. That's crazy. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you guys go ahead and press that like button. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead and press that subscribe button. Make sure you press that notification button so you know when new videos come. I do drop a lot of videos. Do drop a whole lot. You guys know that. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. See you in the next one. Peace. Damn, I finally got some Winterized. That's kind of cool. Some Winterized.